Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JAZ.like.the.music, and we're back with another video. If you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. It's coming right up. Today, I'm going to be turning my hair blue, well, aqua really, and I will be doing it in a cold rod set. I actually got it from Hair Paint Wax. Look at that color, y'all. And it's in the color Aquamarine. I don't have anything in my hair other than hair food. This hair is already washed and blow dried. So that's it. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking down my hair. So first start by sectioning your hair into 4 pieces, 4 sections. So once you have those pretty much sectioned off, you're just gonna do one section at a time. I'm actually gonna just start with the back. So what I'm gonna do is from that one section, then divvy that up depending on like how much hair you have or how long your hair is, how small you want these. I would say divvy that up into about 3 or 4 sections. So you're just gonna go like straight down. So I don't know if y'all can see that. So to kind of get it to stay a little more, because as you can see, it is a little like greasy, which is fine. That's what I want. I'm also gonna use this Wrap Mousse Set by Olive Oil, just to kind of hopefully add some, like make my hair a little more firm. Then I'm gonna get, y'all, it's so pretty. I don't know how much of this I can use. Now if y'all wanna go look at my other videos, I actually did one using this in purple as well. And I'm gonna brush this bad boy out a little bit just to make sure it's in there. Okay, so what you're gonna do is at the top of it, hit a little flat twist. Then you're gonna get the little rod, start at the end, make sure that's tight. Almost there. And then we just snap that bad boy in place, and look at that. Oh, you're there, honey. All right, and then you just do that to all the other pieces. So now that I'm finally to the front, it'll be a little easier to show you guys. So let me just really quickly, not the bang. So let me show y'all how to do this. All right, honestly, I'm gonna put 2 pumps of this good stuff. Y'all look at this, it's so pretty. So sticky. I'm gonna show you. You can see. I'm gonna go ahead and flat twist this. And then as you're going through, make sure you're like detangling it, just so when it dries, it's not all crazy. Because this stuff does make your hair stick together as you're doing it. When you get to the end, you're gonna twist it like 1 more time, and then you're gonna have these 2 separate pieces. And you're actually gonna, I know I don't have any clips, so don't judge me. Wrap that around 1 time, and then you're gonna roll it up, and then wrap it. Roll it, and wrap it. Up, and then spin until you get all the way to the top. And then you're just gonna seal that bad boy. Okay, and then do the same to the other ones. As you can see, it's just a flat twist and then into that. All right, and that's it. Now just finish them off, sis. All right, guys, so I'm finally done putting them all in my head. Ignore my neck because I had to like hold some of the pieces. But anyway, I just want to show y'all how easily it comes off. I just washed my hands 1 time. It is a little under my nails. I need to get under there, but it's just wax. So my only concern is like this wax will not like fully dry, but I'm about to just sit under my dryer I don't have an actual dryer. I actually have one of those little attachments that goes onto my hair dryer. But as y'all can see, I hope y'all are able to see, I just did flat twists all the way around. And I'm actually gonna let this sit overnight. Like, so I'm gonna put the dryer on for probably a couple of hours and then sleep with this and hope for the best. And then we'll be back to see what it turns out to. So mine's one of those little tie bonnets. It just comes out real, like, flat. All right, guys. So I think it feels dry. Let's start with these back ones because I'm all about, y'all, look at that. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna leave it. All right, let's take the rest of these down and hope for the best. So I have 2 more to take out. It's coming along nicely, but just a little side note, a little pause for the cause. As you're taking them out, so if they still feel a little damp, because the only places they felt a little damp was right here, which was where the roller completely rolled up, so maybe it couldn't get to it. So I just kind of dried them before taking them out, as you saw. But as you are taking these out, be very, like, gentle, like one at a time. And as you separate them, like, very gently, make sure to twist, like, each curl so that it goes back, because if not, it's just going to be really frizzy, which a little frizz is not bad because that's going to give you that volume so you're not looking like, you know, a little crazy. But definitely as you're going through, because when you get to the twist, as you can see, that's what's going to separate them and create those individual curls. So as you pull them apart, make sure to, like, twist them back up. But all right, that's my only pause for the cause. All right, let's get this done, y'all. All right, guys, so it's out, and this y'all, look at this color. It's so cute. Okay, let me just pick it out. So I don't have a pick, so don't judge me, but I have these 2 colors. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Y'all see, I know y'all see these curls popping. Oh, okay. So it seems as though it worked out. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the color. You know, in some spots are, like I said, a little frizzy, but I think obviously I picked through it and that's what makes it more voluptuous. But I love it. I was more careful with the ones up front, but I think it turned out pretty good. I absolutely love it. It's kind of giving me, and it's, the color is aquamarine, like I said, but it's giving me like Joker vibes. But I can dig it. I can dig it. And y'all see how I whooped it and swooped at these edges, playing with me. But yeah, so I'm kind of a big deal right now, and I'm kind of gonna go out in public so everybody can see me and how cute I am. Let me tell y'all something. I don't usually do natural hair, like, not natural, like protective hairstyles that aren't like braids and stuff. So this was a first for me, so I'm glad it turned out good. On top of that, incorporating the wax. I could have dried it a little longer, but with the little hair thing that I had, honestly, I think it was fine. Maybe like an extra hour, no more than that would have been fine, but I love the way it turned out. And if you have any questions, comments, because I know y'all got a lot to say, because I'm looking real fine right now, looking like a real snack, leave it below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. And if y'all want to see more videos like this, Please say y'all want to see more videos like this. I'm trying to give y'all what y'all want, but if y'all ask me, closed mouths don't get fed. So, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, all right? Because I'm about to go. Somebody about to see me. Bye.